host Rizan Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be trying out the viral toasty makeup look, or it's also known as the latte makeup look. It's really trending nowadays and I've seen it quite a few too many times to not consider it as a sign for me to try it out. So of course I will. Also, I don't know how it might turn out because this makeup look is on the warm tone side and I am a cool tone girly. So without wasting time, let's start. So the first step is do your skincare. I did it just a while ago, so I'm not gonna repeat that, of course. So I'll start with the primer. I'll be using this Blue Lemon primer first. So this toasty makeup look is basically, you gotta look like a toast, not the burnt one, but the crunchy, flaky, brown, crispy toast. I mean, you get it right. Of course you should. If you don't, then not my problem. I don't know what has gotten into me. I'm a bit too sassy today. Priming done. Now we gotta start the next step, which is foundation. So I'll use this Maybelline Super Stay Fitting Foundation. It's extremely hard to find your perfect shade match, so I just can't work with it. Like, just look at it. It's totally not my shade. Oh, it's not bad. So I don't need to change it much. So I'll use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Like, it's actually matching. I think my skin tone has gotten a bit lighter because just 2 or 3 months ago, when I first got it, it was so light on me. Like, I was looking like, I don't know, like a vampire or something. But now it is actually matching with my skin. Also, it might look too light in the camera, but it will tone down after doing the makeup, so do not worry. Sorry for the lighting, it's not great. Some concealer. Blend it all in. Contour and bronze. I'll use this Insight concealer palette. It looks dirty, but it has been used too much. Also for the concealer, I just used my foundation because it could totally work out as a concealer considering my skin. So yeah, some on the lower cheekbones and upper cheek. I'm not going to use much on my forehead because it's already tanned way too much. You gotta like pull it upwards, I guess, like blend it upwards to get that lifted look on the jaw to make it look more sculpted. Does my face look more sculpted or not? I think it does. Now we gotta bake our face up. I'm using the Lakme face powder. For now, I'm just using it under my eyes so it gets more time to get baked. Wait, first I'm gonna apply my blush. For this kind of makeup look, you gotta use brown or mauve shades. I don't have the brown one, so I'm using this one, the mauve one. Apply some generously, like you should look burnt from here, from this side. I should have baked it at last only, because I'll not use much on my nose, just the tip of it. Look like Rudolph in real life, because I had to apply so much of blush for it to catch on the camera. Next, I'll apply some highlighter. This golden one should work fine, or like this one, on some on the nose and to the cheekbones to glaze the toast, and some on the cupid bow. Now let's bake it properly. Bake above the blush too, on the forehead, once again under my eye. I know this looks like a disaster, but once it comes off, it's gonna look majestic. Now we just gotta wait. Or like, I think I'll do my eyes. Let's clean the eyelids with the darkest brown shade. Thank you. Having latte while doing latte makeup look. Sorry for the background change, but it's too noisy out there. I'm gonna use like a goldenish eyeshadow above my eyelids. I might choose this one or this one, because like it resembles toast. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, why am I talking so much? I will use a bit of brown, like light brown eyeshadow below my eyes. Like I'm using this one. Cats in this neighborhood have zero civic sense. Like they keep fighting all the time and crying. It's extremely irritating. I don't like how it covers my full eye space. I don't know what to do. Should I clean it or not? This makeup is looking extra fine in the mirror. I don't know why I keep fumbling whenever I film a video. I'll use the same like eyeshadow just above my eye line. It's not usually done in that way, but I don't know why. I feel like my eyes look so empty without eyeliner whenever I do makeup. I just don't get it. Even now it feels so empty. Now let's remove the powder. Last step now, which I dread the most, mascara. इसके साथ अपना ही one down, one more to go. Good job. I think this might be the first time I did it perfectly. I knew it. I haven't tried this shade yet, so let's give it a try. Let's just trust the process. Not bad, I guess. Let's try to make it work. It looks like instead of lip balm, I'm just gonna use our humble Vaseline. Yeah, I think this looks way better than before. Oh, last step. Let's not forget it. Lash curler. I'm done with my makeup. Let's do some final touches.